What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today I just wanted to show you this case that I picked up off of Amazon for my Nintendo Switch. Yes, this is the original version, which meaning this came out in 2017. This is my second time purchasing a Switch. You know, I just miss having access to playing, games on a handheld device. I didn't want a PlayStation or Xbox, because that stationary, you just have to sit that somewhere and use it. I just like the idea of having something portable. So pretty much, like I said, I've had one before. I sold it a long time ago, and I bought another one not too long ago, and just because, and it's older, it's still old, but it's going to be protected. Anything I get, no matter how old it is, I'm going to try to protect it. So pretty much I just ordered this case from Amazon. This is called JETech. It is a case that they had online for your original Nintendo Switch. So pretty much I'm just going to give you a walk around the case and let you know what it looks like and how I feel about it. So it's in black. It feels good in the hand. It's kind of rubber, not too flimsy, but not too hard, but it looks good on the Switch. So I'm just going to pick up my Nintendo Switch and I'm going to place it in like so. Everything fits in the grooves the way it should fit. It is a snug fit, and I really do appreciate that and enjoy that. So on the back here, you do get your you get access to your buttons on the back here, as you can see, nice and clickable. You do get access to your kickstand, so you can also set your Switch like this, and then mainly if you had a big controller, you could play it like this, but I don't at the moment. It gives it a lot more grip down here. It gives you some more cushion to hold on to when you're holding it, and I do like how that looks and feels. So at the top here, you get your power button, you get your volume up and down button, you get your you get some I think these are speaker grills here. You do get your good access to your headphone jack. This is where your games go. You do get a nice little lip around the edges. Nothing too fancy, but I do have a screen protector on the way. Overall, this does look good and slim, not too bulky. You do get access to everything at the bottom here. This is so you can dock it, and then in the back, that's where your SD card is. You do get grills here, some more cutouts here. This really does look good and clean. And another thing is, this will not, a lot of these cases do not work with the dock, so just want to be aware if you have a Switch or plan on getting this case, that this will not be able to be docked with the case on. If you want to put it in the dock, you would have to take the case off. But overall, I do like the way this looks and feels, and I'll try to drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.